Fire MP5K. This is the MP5A7 model. This was a parts gun that I got from Campbell Armory. Doesn't work. See? So, I got a free magazine out of it though. The magazine's still good. And this one has a rail glued onto it. Pretty weird. So I'm going to take this gun apart and see what I can pull from it. The back's all busted up. Can't take a receiver or a stock. So I'm going to get the screws out on this gun and then show you guys what I see on the inside. Alright, well, I got it apart. Let me give you a rundown here. So the receivers are, or the shells are totally screwed up. The front's busted off. And it's missing some pegs on the inside too. So this one's done. And then this side's all done for. There actually wasn't a loading nozzle on the inside, it was just this. Like it was converted to a prop gun or something. There's this big lead weight and then like half of a spring. I have no idea what's going on with that. And then the lead weight was shimmed with paper. I think I got a working fire selector assembly out of it though. And then I got a working fire selector assembly out of it. 2 lead weights in the pistol grip. And then the trigger was broken. It's missing a leg here. And then got a hop-up packing. I don't know if it's good or not, but I don't know. I'll hang on to it. Inner barrel assembly, which is glued in place, but could probably be taken out with a bit of heat. Not bad. I got that custom foregrip, undamaged, and then I got the disconnector looks to be okay. Spring, it's not missing a leg or anything, so I think that's still good. Saved the sling point, and then I think I have an entire good cocking handle assembly here. I don't think there's any cracks in it actually. I can't see any, but yeah, this one's undamaged. So that's a pretty good haul. The gun was mostly kept together by bits of epoxy, but it wasn't enough to hold it together, so oh, and then here's the front sight, which appeared to be broken off. So I paid $26 for this, and considering how rare the WELL MP5 parts are, I mean, this is okay. I didn't exactly get screwed on it, but I could have gotten a bit better roll from the dice.